Well, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Bank, coming at you live with another trade recap. And today I'll be going over how we secured 140% on Tesla puts with the team. Absolutely smoked the market here today. 140% banger with the team with the Wolves. Congratulations to you guys. But hit that retweet and like because I'm be giving out daily instructional trade recaps for you guys so you can learn how to take day trades like this, how to make money and be a profitable day trader. Retweet, like, give me a shout out, comments. I'll get back to them. Let's get into the trade recap. So, why did I get short on Tesla today? Why did I get short on Tesla today? Well, let's see. We got long on Tesla on Friday, got short, absolutely smoking Tesla here lately. Let's take a step back, right? So, I think the biggest thing that I want everyone to do, if you're new here, is to zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. You should always be looking at the higher time frames for those that have been with us. Congrats, you already know this. Higher time frames, guys. Higher time frames are going to show you the bigger picture, right? So let's take a look at what's going on with Tesla here versus a 5 minute chart we just have today. Sometimes you can kind of get 2 days into it, but really just a single day chart. If you are zoomed in on this chart, if you are zoomed in on this chart, you can have your levels, you can have everything. You're going to still be lost. You're going to be lost. You take entries, you take exits on here, but if you're not also looking at the daily, the higher time frames, you're going to be lost. Something can be extremely bearish on a lower time frame, daily time frame, or a higher time frame, extremely bullish. So the bigger picture is to a swing long versus trying to get ultra short. So today, what were we looking at on Tesla? Why did I get short? Well, if you guys don't already know, it's called a simple supply and demand. And what do I mean by that? If we come back here, what are we looking at? We're looking at in a nice big, about 100 point range here on Tesla. 100 point range here on Tesla. We know buyers are strong here. We know sellers are strong here. So when we come back, we take a look, we pushing higher into today. If we take a look left, what happened? Big sell, sell, sell. What happened again today? We got a nice little sell. We didn't fully sell off. We had a beautiful retest into our nice daily trend line. And I'll get into the trade plan here in just a second. But what I want you guys to do again is to zoom out, look at the higher time frames, look left. One question you need to ask yourself: who is in control? Who is in control? May seem stupid, may seem simple, but I will tell you this is secret to trading is that is actually a very simple thing. It's not easy, but trading is actually extremely simple. And I want to break this down to you so that you can get into your head how I see the market. Who is in control? Question you should be asking yourself consistently and constantly. Where are we at? Who's in control? Okay, let's take a look left here. Who's been in control? Nothing but sellers. Nothing but sellers. So, game plan for today. Let's see if we can get a nice big fat reject into supply. Nothing but sellers are within the zone. I'll go ahead and just draw a line right there, right? You can draw a line right here, right? Boom, reject, head lower, right? Sellers, 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 sellers are back here. Great. We get that. Who is in control, guys? That is the one thing I want everyone to start paying attention. Who is in control? Now, if we take a look here, all we did was wait for the setup. Bada bing, bada boom. Had a nice little perfect reject. And one thing I do want to add here, guys, is 5 minute time frame. If you guys are following my watch list, you're following my game plans. The one thing that I really like to use when we take a breakout or a break and hold below, right? Break and hold. So this section here on the video will be called break and hold. I want to see a full body candle above a level or below a level if we're taking a short. Break and hold. What do I want to see? 5 minute time frame. I want to see a full candle break and hold below or above a certain level. This will show me that if we're breaking above, that the previous sellers were fully in control. Now buyers are in control. If we're breaking below, the buyers are in control, sellers are in control. So this is not a full break and hold. This is not a full break and hold. This, so let's just use this example at 287. This candle, the wick, the body, all have opened and closed below the level. Wicks, body together, right? We need these together, not just a wick, not just a body, but a full body, either above or below a level. That's going to show us that if the buyers were in control here where we wanted to see them, now the sellers are in control. The sellers are in control. If we had a full break and hold to the upside with a full body candle, that means the body and the wick closing above this pre-market high here, well, it's going to show me probably we're going to get out of that puts. It's probably going to head to the next higher level. But what happened? Failed, false breakout. And that is why we wait for a full break and hold for a level. False breakout, false breakout. That is my strategy for false breakouts. Again, nothing works 100% of the time, but this definitely works for me 90%, 95% plus of the time is waiting for a full candle before I either close out a trade that is going the wrong way or I go into a trade breaking a level, taking a breakout, or taking a breakout below. So again, break and hold, want to see a full body candle closure. So again, this one's really simple, not too much to talk about. Try to add a couple different tidbits for you guys, but really we were just looking into supply, big move Friday breaking out. And this is exactly what I want to see. We broke out of that daily trend line, retest into it, hold, and then head higher. But again, looking just where supply was, looking where sellers were, everybody was so gun-ho to come up and get super long here open. Market maker won yet again. You got to think differently. If you guys have any questions or comments, pretty simple. We saw it. We saw the reject. We saw the weakness. We know that we're in a huge supply. Confirmed here on that false breakout. We had lower. Absolutely beautiful. Bada bing, bada boom. 140% banger, guys. If you want to join the team, let me know. Other than that, if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. I love you guys. I'll see you next time on another trade recap. And I'll end it on this. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Never give up. Love you guys.